To add a payment method on Coinbase, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Payment Methods page. This can be found by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. From the Settings page, click on the Payment Methods tab. Here you will see a list of all your current payment methods, as well as an option to add a new payment method. Click on the link to add a payment method. You will be presented with a list of available payment methods, including bank accounts, debit cards, and credit cards. Select the type of payment method you want to add and follow the prompts to enter the required information. For example, if you are adding a bank account, you will need to enter your account and routing numbers. If you are adding a debit or credit card, you will need to enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. Once you have entered the required information, click Continue to review the details of your payment method. Make sure all the information is correct and then confirm that you want to add the payment method. After you have added a payment method, it will be available for use when buying or selling cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Keep in mind that different payment methods may have different fees and processing times, so be sure to review the details before making a transaction. It is also important to note that Coinbase may require you to verify your payment method before it can be used. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized transactions. To verify your payment method, Coinbase may make a small test transaction, which will be refunded once the payment method has been verified. By following these steps, you can easily add a payment method to your Coinbase account and start buying and selling cryptocurrency. Remember to always review the details of your payment method and verify it before making a transaction to ensure a safe and secure experience on Coinbase.